Okay, Leigh,
Yes.
so tell us, what's going on here? What are we doing?
So today we've given a demonstration to the Board of Trustees and our Kenya Agricultural Research Institute partners on the sampling methodology called the Land Degradation Surveillance Framework.
So is that what we got in here? What have we got here?
So we have demonstrated how we auger to 0 to 20 centimeters for our topsoil samples and 20 to 50 centimeters for our subsoil samples. And each soil sample is taken at 4 subplots, and they are combined to form composite topsoil and subsoil samples per plot. And what we've discovered here is that the top 10 centimeters has a high clay content, and then at 10 centimeters we hit a mica plane, which actually leads to very sandy soils, rich in mica, which is the shiny material, and you can actually see the yellow shiny material, which is iron-rich mica, otherwise known as biotite.
So is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Well, it basically means that we have sandy soil, and which are very prone in this area to compaction. So what we've seen in the bean fields at the Kari Research Center is that when it rains, the water is not infiltrating. Instead, it's reaching a hard pan and then actually unable to infiltrate into the soil, giving the plants the water that they need.
So what does that mean for a farmer?
It means that this area is also low in soil organic carbon. So this land is screaming for more organic matter. It's screaming for crop residues. It's asking for compost and manure to increase the soil organic carbon content of the soil, which actually improves soil structure, which would actually help the infiltration capacity of the soil.
So you're gonna come back here in 5 years and measure this again. What do you expect to see? Is it going to be better? Worse?
Well, one thing that
How do
we're
you see it
doing
going?
with this methodology, because we don't only measure soil, we're actually looking at erosion, herbaceous cover, we're looking at woody cover, tree densities, shrub densities. What we do when we come back in 5 years, first and foremost, is see if the land use has changed. Is there still a forest there? Is it still cultivation? And so that's the first thing we look at. And then if it is still cultivation, we have characterized the typology of the management and the farm practices, so we can see how those farm practices have influenced, for example, soil organic carbon in that time period.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot.
Great, thanks.